Good morning, dear children. Let us spend some time with our maths book and exercise our brain a little. For that, let us again look into the chapter Decimals. Today, we begin with self-practice 8D. Before we begin, let us understand the place value chart used to represent a decimal fraction. In the place value chart, the digits towards the left of the decimal point is the whole number part, and the digits towards the right side is the decimal part. So as we move towards the right, each place value becomes 1/10 of the previous one, which means we divide it by 10 to get the value in the next place. Like 1000 divided by 10 we get 100. Then 100 divided by 10 we get 10. 10 divided by 10 we get 1. 1 divided by 10 we get 1 by 10. 1 by 10 divided by 10 we get 1/100th or 1 by 100. And 1 by 100 divided by 10 we get 1,000th. This will be clear when we see through an example. Let us take the decimal number 683.459. So 6 is in the hundreds place. So we have 600. 8 is in the tens place. So 8 multiplied by 10, that is 80. 3 is in the ones place. So 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Then we have the decimal point. 4 is in the tenths place. So 4 into 1/10 is 4 by 10. Then 5 is in the hundredths place. 5 into 1 by 100 is 5/100ths. And 9 is in the thousandths place. So 9 into 1000 is equal to 9,000ths. Now we see the place value of each digit here. The number is 625.378. Place value of 8, which is in the thousandths place, is 8 into 1000, that is 8 by 1000. 7 is in the hundredths place, so the place value of 7 is 7 into 1 by 100, that is 7 by 100. The place value of 3, which is in the tenths place, is 3 into 1 by 10, that is 3 by 10 or 3/10ths. We see the digits in the left side of the decimal, that is the whole numbers. So here 5 is in the ones place. So the place value of 5 remains 5. 2 is in the tens place. So 2 multiplied by 10, that is 20 or 2/10ths. 6 is in the hundredths place. So we write it as 6/100ths. Now let us see how to write in expanded form. The number is 634.957. So let us quickly see the place value of each digit, and then it will be very easy for us to write it in expanded form. Now if we see the first digit 6, we find that it is in the hundreds place. So we write 6/100ths plus the next digit 3 is in the tens place. So we write 3/10ths, and then 4 is in the ones place. So we write 4/1s. Now the digits on the right side of the decimal, that is 9, which is in the tenths place. So we write 9/10ths. Then the next digit is 5, which is in the hundredths place. So we write 5/100ths. And then 7, which is in the thousandths place. We write it as 7 thousandths. So we also write it as 600 plus 30 plus 4 plus 9 by 10 or 9 tenths plus 5 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. Now let us look into the sums of self-practice 80. We have to copy and write each decimal numeral in expanded form. The decimal numeral is 145.38. So in order to write it in expanded form, we will quickly see the place value of each digit and write it in expanded form. So first we see the whole number part. Here 1 is in the hundreds place, 4 is in the tens place and 5 is in the ones place. So we write 1 hundredths plus 4 tenths plus 5 ones. Then we have the decimal point and the digit on the right side of the decimal point is in the tenths place. So 3 is in the tenths place. So we write it as 3 tenths. And 8 is in the hundredths place. So we write it as 8 hundredths. In the other form, we write it as 100 plus 40 plus 5 plus 3 by 10 plus 8 by 100. The next number is 463.05, which we have to write in expanded form. So first let us see the whole number part. That is 463. So 4 is in the hundreds place, 6 is in the tens place and 3 is in the ones place. So we write it as 4 hundredths plus 6 tens plus 3 ones. And then we have the first digit after the decimal is 0, which is in the tenths place. We write it as 0 tenths plus 5 is in the hundredths place. So we write it as 5 hundredths. In another form, we write it as 400 plus 60 plus 3 plus 0 by 10, that is 0 tenth plus 5 by 100. Now the next is 870.605. So here 8 is in the hundreds place, 1 is in the tens place and 7 is in the ones place. So we write it as 8 hundredths plus 1 tenths plus 7 ones. After the decimal, 605. So 6 is in the tenths place. So we write it as 6 tenths. 0 is in the hundredths place. We write it as 0 hundredths. Plus 5 is in the thousandths place. We write it as 5 thousandths. So we write 800 plus 10 plus 7 plus 6 by 10 plus 0 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. The next number is 2.268. Here the whole number 2 is in the ones place. So we write 2 ones plus the next 2 is after the decimal and it is in the tenths place. So we write 2 tenths. Then we have 6 in the hundredths place. So we write 6 hundredths plus 8 in the thousandths place. So we write 8 thousandths. So the number here can be written in expanded form as 2 plus 2 by 10 plus 6 by 100 plus 8 by 1000. Let us see the next sum where we have to write the expanded form into decimal form. So the first sum here, 3 into 10 plus 0 by 10 plus 0 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. In order to write down the number in decimals, first we make a place value chart and we write down the place values on the top as tens, ones, a column for decimal, and then tenths, hundredths and thousands, and then we'll fill the digits. So 3 into 10 is 30. So we write down 3 in the tens column. We have no digit in the ones place. So we write 0 in the ones place. Then we put a decimal and then 0 tenths. So we write 0 in the tenths place. Again 0 hundredths. So we write 0 in the hundredths place and 7 thousandths. We write it in the thousandths place. The next number, again we draw a place value chart. Write down the place values as 100, tens, ones and a column for decimal. Then tenths, hundredths, thousands. Now the number is 3 into 100, that is 300. So we write 3 in the hundreds place, 2 into 10, that is 20. So we write 2 in the tens place. We do not have any number in the ones place. So we write a 0 in the ones place. Then we put a decimal, 2 tenths. So we write 2 in the tenths place, 3 hundredths. So we write 3 in the hundredths place and 6 thousandths. So we write 6 in the thousandths place. So that is all, children. This is how you will do the sums. Thank you.